Umani naman ang iba't ibang reaksyon ng tangka umanong pamamaril kay US President Donald Trump. Dahil sa insidente, muling nabuhay ang proposal ni Trump na White House Ballroom. Narito ang Agenda Weekend Report ni US Correspondent Henny Espinosa.
Isang Filipina journalist ang present mismo sa tangka umanong assassination kay US President Donald Trump. Nangyari yan Sabado ng gabi sa White House Correspondents' Dinner sa isang Hilton Hotel sa Washington, D.C. Sa loob ng venue, marami sa mahigit 2,000 mga bisita ang nagtakbuhan at naghanap ng masisilungan. Nagkwento ang ilang mga journalists na nasa event ng kanilang mga karanasan matapos marinig ang gunshots. Isa na dito ang Filipina na si Janelle Di Malaon.
I was in the bathroom when I heard 6 or 7 shots ring. I'm not sure exactly. And what was going through my head was that I thought those were gunshots, but I could not be certain. And when a woman from the security services, either from the hotel or law enforcement, not sure exactly, she confirmed that those were gunshots and that we should shelter in place.
Ayon sa mga otoridad, pinaputukan ng suspect ng isang Secret Service agent na nakasuot ng bulletproof vest at ngayon ay nagpapagaling. Arestado na ang suspect na armado umano. Sa Truth Social, naglabas si Trump ng video na makikita ang suspect na sumusugod sa security. Pati nalarawan nito matapos maaresto. Kinilala ang suspect bilang ang 31-year-old na si Cole Thomas Allen ng Torrance, California. Isang guro na minsang pinarangalang Teacher of the Month sa Los Angeles County.
Right now, the defendant is being charged with 2 counts, 924C, using a firearm during a crime of violence, and a second crime under 111, which is assault on a federal officer using a dangerous weapon.
Sabi ni Trump na ilang beses nang naharap sa mga pagbabanta, hindi sapat ang seguridad sa gusali. Iginiit niya rin na pinatitibay ng insidente ang pangangailangan na maituloy ang kanyang ipinapanukalang $400 million na White House Ballroom project.
And I didn't want to say this, but this is why we have to have all of the attributes of what we're planning at the White House. It's actually a larger room and it's much more secure. It's drone-proof, it's bulletproof glass. We need the ballroom.
Naglabas din ng reaction online ng Philam Trump supporter at Republican leader na si Rachel Gunther na sinabing patunay ang insidente kung bakit dapat itayo ang ballroom. Si Donnie De Leon, isang Philam Democratic leader, nababahala raw sa tinawag niyang paggamit sa isang serious security incident para isulong ang isang real estate project. Ang sabi niya, quote, "It isn't leadership, it's opportunism. As a veteran, I find that deeply offensive," end quote. Sinabi ng Pangulo na muling isasagawa ang White House Correspondents' Dinner sa loob ng 30 days. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Henny Espinosa, Billionaire News Channel.